Hey guys, it's Nancy, and in this video I am going to be doing a 2018 makeup routine. I know. I haven't done a makeup video in so long. I'm not sure if I did one last year or not, but like, I don't know. I really like this look, and I'm finally filming myself with a camera and finally set up-ish kind of. So yeah, and I haven't made a video in a while, so I'm doing this for you guys. If you want to see my everyday look, just kidding. I don't wear makeup every day because I honestly don't care what people think if I look good or not. I just wear it if I want to look cute or whatever. So let's get started. The first thing I normally do, okay, so recently, from about a month ago, or 2 months ago, I've been using NYX Wonder Stick. This is what it looks like. I don't know if you could see that. I really hope you could. Usually I would use Dior BB cream and like concealers and stuff. But recently the NYX Wonder Stick has been doing like so well. Like I don't even need the other stuff. And like usually I've been using, I don't even know if this is still good, the Dior Nude Air. I've been using that, but like I said, this has been doing so much lately that I don't even need to use the other stuff. But yeah. So the first thing I like to do is I like to take my NYX Wonder Stick, and I like taking the darker shade. By the way, this is medium tan. I'm not like tan, but I like looking tan, so that's the one I chose. So I use the darker side, right? And I'll just do this. Like, I don't know if that's how you're supposed to do it. I don't know if it's supposed to go there or whatever, but this is just from experimenting and watching a bunch of YouTube videos. Okay. And based on how I look after, I like this way, even if it's not the right way. There's no right or wrong with art, let me tell you. And this is, oh my god, I just got it on my hair. What the heck? Okay, so that's what I just put it like right on my cheekbone, like right there. I don't know if that's what it's called. And then I'll just put it on my nose right over here. So my nose looks smaller, even though it probably doesn't do anything. Yeah, that's all I do for the dark side. So like usually I'll just do my eyebrows. I don't know what I'm doing with my eyebrows. Like I'll just do that sometimes, but it's like I don't think it even does anything. And I'll go like right here, and I don't think that does anything either. I don't know why I do that, because I just feel like this isn't enough. Okay, then I take the lighter side. Hope you can see that. Okay, and then I'll just apply it everywhere else. So I'll start under my eyes over here. Now I'm gonna blend it in so I don't look like a freak. I like to start here. As long as everything's like blended and I look good. Oh yeah, by the way, I'm using e.l.f. contouring brush. I don't know if that's the right one. Don't kill me, okay? I don't know if this is the right one, but it works. Like I said, I'm not a professional. Well, I don't think I said that, but I'm saying it now. I'm not a professional. So if something I do in this like offends you and you're like, that's not the right way, I'm sorry, okay? This is just what I do.
And then go on the side.
Oh, and make sure you blend this in with your neck, because otherwise you're gonna look like you have a mask on. And you want to look natural.
So even if it doesn't work, just like try.
And try not to put in your eyebrows because then they're just gonna get like lighter and you don't want that. So now that everything's all, oh my god. Yeah, you gotta blend this in with your hair too or else it's gonna look like really weird. I already look weird. So then I'm gonna make sure everything's blended in like with my fingers and nothing's like, you know, unusual. And then the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Sephora Professional flat brush. I hope you can see that. And then, so my face doesn't look all like clay-like, I'm going to take Jordana pressed powder. So you're gonna put that all over your face so everything looks like perfect.
You know, because you want to look perfect.
Okay, now that that's settled in so it looks like somewhat good or whatever, you're going to want to use blush so you don't look like one color. So I use Sephora Orange Punchy Sunbaked is the color, I think. I don't know. I like this color, but I'm sure there's better colors out there. I just happen to have this one. And I'll take, oh shoot, my e.l.f. Blush brush. And it's like at an angle, see? This one is so hard though. To get the freaking blush on the brush is so hard. Like, I don't know why it takes so long. Like, it's so ridiculous. Okay, so I get it on the angle, and then I'll just put it right here. There.
As you can see, there's already color, or hopefully you can see. I can see though.
And I'll try to make sure it's like blended in with the rest so it looks natural and not like I just put blush on. Then I'll take more and put it right here above my eyebrow. And I don't know, I learned this trick from like, I was getting my makeup done at Dior and they put my blush here and I was like, what the heck? So now I always do that because I feel like you're supposed to do it that way.
Now do the other side.
Sorry this is taking so long. Usually I'm faster at this. I don't know why it's taking me so long. And then I'll just do my forehead and then go down on my nose like this. But this is just like on the extra stuff. I don't actually, you know, get more. Next thing we're gonna do, the NYX Eyeshadow Base. Like that. Put it on your eye, like literally.
So you put it on your eye. I like to do above my eyebrow too. Which is why I was talking about how I don't like put any foundation stuff on there because like I'm putting this on anyway.
And this stuff, oh my god guys, I've tried eyeshadow without this and I've also tried it, you know, with it. And let me tell you, I don't put on eyeshadow unless you use this because this stuff like sets your eyeshadow on your eyes like the whole day. And it doesn't like this stuff holds it in place. This stuff is great. Okay, so now I'm taking, what is it? Here, I'll let you read the back in case you want to like do your searching stuff. I really hope you could see that though. Okay, so I use my finger for this because it's like that type of eyeshadow, I guess. It's like a creamy eyeshadow. Like it's not powder-ish. I'm using, like I said, the Kylie black eyeliner. Kylie Jenner. So I like to do the bottom first. I don't know why. I just do. NYX Collection Liquid Black Liner. I really like this one. It just really was awesome. Of course, I fucked it up. Oh my god. Oh my god, I shouldn't have cursed. Ooh. Like, it's too thick, you see? I don't know. I'm like such a perfectionist when it comes to this, but it's like, it's not how I want it to be. It's kind of good. I mean, I like how it's like curvy and nice, but I think it's too thick. It's way too thick. Usually it's mine's thinner than that. And then here's the left. So yeah, you just put it on.
Alright, over to the bottom.
But look at the difference, guys. Look at the difference. Can you see that? Look.
And whenever my mom wears this, my cousins wear.
So basically I'm done. The only thing we're missing is lipstick. And like I said, depending on my mood, like for everything else I did, depending on my mood, it depends which kind of lipstick I'm gonna wear. The Sephora M04. This one's so cute. It's like, if you want to look like Barbie today, you wear this. This is M04 Sephora. Plus, oh my god, they smell so good. Like, oh my god, like cherries, like blossoms, like, oh my god. Oh, by the way, I don't have any highlighters. I know I need a highlighter, like right here and here. I don't really have any highlighters, so no highlighters for this freaking makeup routine. So that is my makeup routine. I really hope you guys saw all of this and none of it was blurred out or anything or whatever. Oh my gosh, I like this look now. Like, I don't mind the eyeliner being too thick anymore. I think it looks cute. What do you guys think? Do you think it's an upgrade from my 2015 and 16 makeup routine? I don't know if I made a 2017 video. I wanted to do one, but I like never had time. But now I'm making the time for you guys because I love you. And yeah. Usually when I'm not talking and I do this in the morning, it takes me like 10 minutes. This video is probably going to be 30 minutes. But no, this usually takes me about 10 minutes or 8 minutes. Guys, I can't wink anymore. I don't think I could. Like, I don't know. Oh yeah, so as you notice, I told you I don't touch my eyebrows because they're naturally dark, like super dark. I've colored in my eyebrows before and it just looks super weird and I don't like it, so I don't touch them anymore. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment for any requests if you want me to do a different makeup look or whatever. Subscribe. I have like 3,000 subscribers now. Thank you guys so much. It's crazy. I remember when I got like 100 subscribers and I thought I was famous. But now I have 3,000. So please subscribe and we can get to 10,000. Yeah. Okay. Bye guys. I love you so much. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.